Hello guys! Today, I'm going to be unboxing the Venus Optics Laowa 17mm f1.8 MFT lens. It's a fisheye lens with macro capabilities and a wide-angle setting. It's compatible with Olympus cameras, and it has a maximum focal length of 17mm. So let's start the unboxing. This lens is great for taking photos of close-ups or working with objects that are too small to focus on normally. It also has a wide-angle setting that allows you to capture more of whatever you're shooting. The aperture of this lens is f1.8, which means it's great for low-light photography or indoor shots, where you need a lot of light to be able to see what you are shooting. It has 7 aperture blades that help you achieve smooth background blur effects, as well as focus your subject more clearly. The build quality is good, with metal parts, and the focus ring feels very smooth when turning it while focusing on the subject in front of you. It's not overly tight or loose like many other lenses that aren't designed for manual focus purposes. In my opinion, this lens is very high quality. It has great sharpness and contrast with subjects that I've focused on. The fisheye effect captured is very cool and works well. It's lightweight, and it's easy to carry around, and I love the look and style of the lens. This lens is perfect for shooting videos as well. So that's all for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.